Hello, I am Vicky Manitu Okahas. Welcome. What if I came to you and told you that I have 4 places available for special dreamers to live in? And for a short period of time, and all expenses would be paid. Every resource that you need would be at your fingertips. You could live in one of these places for, let's see, maybe 3 months. The first place would be on the top floor of a luxury condominium complex, maybe in New York City. The second place, that would be a villa in the mountains with snow-capped peaks. And the third place, that would be an airy oceanside cottage. The fourth place, that one would be a cozy cottage in the rolling hills of the woodlands. But there's a catch. The 3 months to live in your dream and do everything that you can to make that dream sustainable is the catch. What would you do? You would have to submit an application and explain your dream to me. Okay? The whole 9 yards, all of it. How would you spend your time? Who would you spend it with? What would you be doing? What project would you undertake? What would you be eating? What would you be doing for other people or the environment? What do you smell? What is around you? What do you see? What purpose would you serve? And what world are you going to work on creating? Interesting. What would you do if you had all the time that you need for 3 months, nothing to do, but the one thing you really, really are dreaming about? I'll be honest, this is just an exercise, but it's an important exercise because if you can dream a beautiful future for yourself, you might have a good chance of getting it. So, what is it that you want? What if you took this exercise and wrote a story, like you were going to submit an application to somebody that had this property for you? So, what would you do? I know what I would do. But, it takes time, it takes effort, and it takes planning. And what I do is I go through the Year Builder framework and I create tiny little steps from where I'm at to where I want to be. Because if you take tiny little steps, 1 inch at a time, you get closer to what you want. But only if you can dream it first. Thank you. And why don't you come and join me at Manitu Okahas Programs for the Year Builder workshop and the Year Builder framework. And I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.